Hello everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with LEGO bricks. So today we're going to be looking at a set number 60033 from LEGO City, and it was released in 2014. So without further ado, let's get started. So this set comes with one minifigure, and that is this Arctic Explorer that we have over here, with a bright orange jacket and several emblems on his top over here, some nice white fluff both on his torso and his hood over here, his nice blue hood over here, a shaven beard and some green goggles with a little bit of shine on it, and we've got some buckles all over his legs over here, as well as some blue gloves, and at the back we can see some more fluff going around here and the Arctic logo. So now the main part of this set is this truck that we have over here, this bright orange Arctic exploration truck. So the first thing that you'll notice is that, well, it's a bright orange truck, but it's a sort of customized truck, like it was a normal truck before, a street legal truck, but it turned into something awesome. So first thing recognizable over here, we've got the 7mm light grey wheel rims over here, and there's 6 of them over here with a caterpillar track running all along them. I'll discuss about this later on, but now let's first look at the front of this truck over here. So first things first, we've got this black handle over here to be able to be tugged out if it gets in a sticky situation. We've got some grills over here, some normal headlights as well over here on the side in this transparent white. The hood is kind of stubby, short and stubby, and we've got some extra headlights over here using these translucent white studs. As well, on the top over here we have some extra lights as well, as it can get really dark, I suppose, in the Arctic, especially since they have full-on dark winter, so they will definitely need plenty of lights. On either side of this blue windscreen we have some mirrors, because this is a truck after all, and we've got some opening orange doors over here on the side as well. Around the back of the cab over here we've got this bright orange single sort of panel piece which is holding up the roof here, and on either side of the truck we've got clips that hold accessories. So the one on this side is a grey ice pick, let's put that aside for now, and on this side we have the black antennae which is going to help with a bit of the communications. And at the very back of the cab over here we also have another accessory in a clip. This one is a dark grey chainsaw. Let's put that to the side as well. The back section is mostly used as a loading bay, and we have something to load there. We've got this ice crystal. We'll have a look in more detail later on. We can just stick it in like this. We've got some nice grey tiles running on either side here. This is mainly flat, so you generally need to stick things down to stop them from falling out. And at the very back of this we have the bright yellow crane over here. So this crane is attached at the base using a Technic connector, but the rest of this is mostly ratchet joints, so you can lock this crane into position. Let's just put this aside for now. You can lock this crane into position whichever way you like, so it will be nice and strong. Speaking as of the sticker, which over here says max 2 tons, 2T meaning 2 tons, and we've got plenty of stickers all along this crane. Lots of very nice detail and decoration here, some bright yellow and black stripes for caution, and at the end of this crane we have another ratchet joint connector, and we've got this free floating, almost free floating hook at the end of it. Now before we leave this truck behind, let's just have a quick look at the top of the truck over here. So we've got a little antenna set up as well, a sort of satellite dish pickup antenna or something like that. Very nice and simple, attached onto the roof here. Now this roof comes off very easily. We've got orange roof with another sticker over here on top as well. The great big Arctic logo, sort of the top of the planet, and the North Star there as well. And also we've got some red base plates here as well to be our brake lights. After all, this used to be a truck, and now that we're here, I suppose we can see if Johnny has something interesting for us. So Johnny, bring us the fact of the day, will you? The fact of the day is, vehicles that use caterpillar tracks steer by making some wheels turn faster on one side, making the vehicle turn around. That's an interesting point to remember now that we come to discuss about these caterpillar tracks. So these caterpillar track pieces are sitting on these, I believe they're 14mm wheels, yeah. 17mm wheels, sorry, these 7mm light grey wheels, and they have teeth in them, as you see over here, and they just fit into the grooves over here. Now they can be a little bit stiff at the beginning if they're brand new. They do need working out a little bit. Also, they can be a little bit slippery when you use them on, for instance, like flat surfaces. You need to push down a little bit to get traction, otherwise they sometimes slide about. Of course, carpet is by far one of the best surfaces if you want to use them. And as we just found out, most trucks that use caterpillar tracks will be using multiple wheel control, so they can make one wheel go faster, and that in turn will make the truck turn. So the final part of this set to add to it is this great big ice boulder over here. We've got a little black attachment, so you can attach it to the hook of the truck over here. So we just place it like that, and as long as you keep the hook facing down, you can lift it nice and easily onto your truck over here. And if we look inside of it, you also get one of these silver crystals that these Arctic explorers are looking for. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building! By the way, I forgot to show you that this truck also has space for one minifigure in there with a simple steering wheel inside the cab. Alright, that's the end. Bye.